AG6IF here. Welcome. This is the Friday night Collins Collector's Nets. How about that? I have an S-line here, transmitter, receiver, speaker and control station, and down there we have a power supply on the floor. I'm using a 10D microphone from A-Static. What a beautiful microphone, eh? And my Collins S-line is feeding my Dentron amplifier tonight. About 500 watts output.
So, let's see, where am I? For additional information about Collins Collectors Association, its forums, activity services, and how to become a member, please visit our website at
There's a tiny chat you can get on and watch. I'll have all the fun you want.
And please help our efforts by joining the Collins Collectors Association. For added fun during the net,
there's 3 video feeds right now.
on the internet, on
At least one more person listening in.
/CCA West. That's tinychat.com/CCA West. Enter your call sign as your nickname on the pop-up and then hit join room. You'll then actually be able to see some live video of some of the West Coast CCA hams. And if you have a webcam,
We're on 80 meters. 3.8 plus 98. Add it all up. There you go. This radio was manufactured in the 50s or 60s in Cedar Rapids, Iowa. Collins is renowned for being collectible. Boat anchors, affectionately known. And fun radio to work with. I'll give you a shot of the top here. Let's look at one of these nice designs. Very well done radio system. Glowing radio, huh? Tubes.
okay, we took a quick listen on direct and also on the weather CR. So I think we got a good list started here. So here's what I got to get started. Hang on a second, let me mute my phone. Okay, that's the phone muted. So we're going to start out with AG6IF.
Oh, wow, I'm first tonight.
And Jim, if you would hand it to WI6R, Dave. And Dave, if you would hand it to Skip, K6LGL.
Okay, WI6RD, I have to hand it off to.
WA6JKN. We're going to
try to remember that.
Because that's all I got for right now. And then Kevin over to Dennis, W6DQ, and Dennis, if you do so kind as to hand it back to me, and we'll go with the next group. I'll ask for check-ins at that time. So, with that, very good evening to everybody for checking in so far. AG6IF.
All right, how about that?
WB6RAW. Go ahead.
Being first tonight. Okay. All right, Werner, good evening to the group. AG6IF here in Southern California, talking into the S-line tonight. 48 degrees here in Temecula. Got the camera running. We'll put a little YouTube video out of the Collins Collector Net tonight. Really nice to hear everybody. The band is sounding really good, and I appreciate you taking the net tonight, Werner. And great signal hearing everybody here on 98. So with that, let's keep it going. WI6RD, it's all yours from Jim here in Temecula, AG6IF. Go ahead.
Yeah, Jim, AG6IF from Whiskey India 6 Radio. Just one letter on the suffix.
Oh, I missed him. Missed the suffix.
Here in Houston, California, and boy, the band just suddenly took a huge change, and everybody is pounding in here. Everybody's like 10 to 20 over 9, so very impressive. However, Werner, I don't know if you got a cold or something, thing, but your audio doesn't sound like it normally does, or there's maybe a little RF getting in, so I just thought I'd pass that along.
All right, so I wrote the call sign down wrong. I got it corrected now. WB6R is who I hand off to. Usually we go around twice, a round table. A variety of Collins equipment comes up here. I'm using a 75S3 Bravo receiver right here. Got my finger on the volume control. And the transmitter is a 32S3. And they're linked together, so the VFO on the receiver also tunes the transmitter. And I can't hear a skip, so if I turn on the SDR here, maybe we'll be able to hear skip. So we're going to the SDR here.
With you, Werner, but hopefully that'll change. Your signals have come up, both of you.
So when you can't hear, it's nice to have the SDR as a backup. The website, the KFS SDR is in Half Moon Bay. And I'll forget the website here. I'll get the address, it's an IP address.
The electrostatic discharge, the noise flow would be lower, but it's still high here on the
Okay. And we're in 80 meters tonight, 75 meters actually. 3898 kilohertz. Right there. And then you want to select lower sideband here for the mode, and you can actually see the signal strength nicely done right there for skip LTL. LTL. So when he's done, I'll hit the mute button, and we'll go back to the radio volume control. He's coming in a little bit. Okay, there he goes. Mute that, bring this up. Hopefully we'll hear the rest of them. There we go.
Something going on weird here. I noticed that my receiver is not hearing as well as it normally does, so I must have a bad TR relay or something. Something's going on. I switched the receiver over to the KW1 and it hears fine, but it's a different transmission line. So I'll have to do some investigating here. Good evening to everybody. I'm hearing everybody so far. Dave, you're not as strong as the rest that I've heard, but I did copy you just barely, so the conditions are improving from when I first started hearing.
Is that for 1950s technology?
So that's good news all the way around. All right, the name here is Kevin. I'm located in Gilroy, California, also known as the garlic capital of the world. I'm running the Collins KW6R1 1 kilowatt DC input. The output's about 800 watts. And the receiver is the Collins 75A4, which I'm having a little problems with. I don't think it's the receiver. I think there's something else going on here because I disconnected my my ICOM radio to run some tests over at a Silicon Valley company. We're making some design changes to the ICOM 7610 to make it a little bit better, and we made a lot of progress. So with that, I'm going to keep it moving here and send it over to Dennis. I don't think I've heard Dennis transmit yet. W6DQ.
Now Dennis is surrounded by gear, and he's also on the Tiny Chat video feed here. I can usually hear him very well, and I'm not hearing him right now.
When that happens, we need to move off frequency. Those guys have been there for a time. Driving home from dinner for a good half hour, they were always there. So it's not cycle frequency.
All right, so this is a Collins Collector's Net. Every Friday night at 7 p.m. PST here. It's usually at 38.95. We moved up the band a little bit for to find an open spot. So if you've got some Collins gear, you want to check it out. Even if you don't have Collins gear and you want to check it out, everyone's welcome. So this has been Jim, AG6IF, and working the Collins Collector's Net tonight. And 7-3, everybody have a nice weekend. And it will be... I'll be calling it right here, and we're going to go around another time, though, and sometimes we have 10 or 15 or 20. It just kind of depends. So, 7-3, everybody. AG6IF.